All right, today I'm making buffalo wings a la Brava. So Brava, Alitas de pollo, or Brava wings. I'm gonna use the sauce that I made yesterday or day before yesterday, Brava sauce, patatasbravas sauce, hot, spicy, red. And you know that will work for buffalo wings is what I thought. Instead of doing the buffalo sauce with Frank sauce and all that stuff, just my own sauce. And so here I have chicken wings, and I breaded. This is wheat flour, and I'm just getting them all breaded. Okay, so they are stacked in the fryer nicely, and we're gonna lower them into the oil and just wait till they're done. It is at 150 C. Okay, the wings are done, they're fried. I put them on paper so they dry up. A little bit of the oil so they are not so oily. I'm gonna pair it with some salad. I drank the wine, so I'm gonna have some Coke. Okay, here's the finished product. Here we have Alitas, Bravas, Madrileñas, or Madrid hot wings with the patatasbravas sauce. They will work fine. This is perfect. I mean, it's spicy hot as hell and every bit as good as a buffalo wings. It's just 6,000 miles east.